Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and today I want to answer one of the Flower Tribe members' questions. And the question is, if I don't deadhead all of my hydrangea flowers off at the end of the season, will I still get flower blooms the following season? And the answer to that is yes, you will still wind up getting flower blooms, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. But if we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranberry Fields Flower Farm here in Cranberry, New Jersey, and I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so you know whenever I post another fun, free flower tip video. So let's dive in. So here I am in front of one of my limelight hydrangeas. It is September in my New Jersey planting hardiness zone 6, and this is what my limelight hydrangea looks like. Now, limelight hydrangeas are one of the easiest hydrangeas to grow. Their flowers come in on what's known as new growth in the springtime. So you usually don't have to worry about pruning these guys back at the wrong time of year. But this is what it looks like if you don't prune back all those flower heads, or if you don't get a chance to deadhead them in the spring. You'll wind up having them stay on the plant, and it's not the best idea to keep them on the plant because what it does is it kind of clogs up some of the airflow. It can also cause some sorts of fungal issues, and it doesn't look very nice. But as you can tell on this hydrangea, I didn't get a chance to prune all them back. I mean, we have so many of them here on the flower farm. I just don't get a chance to actually deadhead them all, but I still get beautiful blooms. So if you don't get a chance to prune them back, if you don't get a chance to do that deadheading in late winter and early spring, which is kind of like the best time to prune them, and it's a really good time to deadhead them, it's not that big of a deal because you're still going to get gorgeous flower blooms. Now, some other Flower Tribe members have asked me if I come in here and if I actually do like a deadheading in the fall and in early winter. And for the most part, I don't. I love the way that these flower blooms look like, even when they're kind of faded, when there's snow on top of them. However, some of the big, giant, heavy ones, I will prune back because as you can tell, some of these blooms are colossal. And like this one probably should have been pruned back last year because what happens is when snow rests on top of them, it gets super heavy and then sometimes these branches crack. It's a really good idea to give a deadheading to the blooms that are really big because those are the ones that are going to be super heavy and those are going to be the ones that are going to wind up causing some of those branches to crack. But for the most part, the smaller blooms, I just kind of leave those in place and it should be fine. Thank you for joining me in this video, and please feel free to join me over on my Cranberry Fields Instagram page, and you can check out my online flower courses. I made you guys a boatload of flower courses with easy to follow videos so you can grow gorgeous flowers just like these in your own backyards. And then I made you a course showing you how to arrange them into beautiful arrangements. Once again, super easy to follow steps, and you can gift your flowers to your family and friends, or you can just use them to beautify your own homes. And you can also check out my podcast and our TikTok channels and all of our other social medias, and they are all in descriptions below. And please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great, big, beautiful world. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, wait, tell me what, I'm sorry. Wait, I know your video, I'm like, sound check because our microphones aren't working today, so we're trying to figure it out. So let's see if you can hear anything on this clip.